After this implementation, the improvement is about 60%. Our people are really happy. From the operational, sales, planner, engineer, and finance departments, they can't live without Monitor system.
So before having a Monitor ERP in our company, so all the planning is actually very dependent on the supervisor experience. They plan which job should come first and allocate on which machine.
We manage quite a large number of parts with a batch size ranging from 5 to 2,000 pieces.
Our people are chasing on the ground itself. Every day, looking at the parts where the location is and the inventory, exactly what is the actual quantity, just to search for one component parts.
So after we have this Monitor ERP, everything is already predefined and the information is shared across different departments. So it's more transparent and more effective in a way.
We are a precision engineering manufacturer that supplies high-mix, low-volume component and modular assembly parts, servicing customers in the photonic, biomedical, laser, imaging, and defense industry. Our key operation in ensuring all turning, turn mill, 3-axis, 5-axis, machines, deburring, engraving, quality departments and secondary processes vendors are loaded with parts that meet our on-time delivery to our customer. Back in 2018, when our sales were picking up and with our limited human resources, we did face some OTD issue. Machinery was not loaded with the right parts, and the existing vendor, inventory and tracking system is unable to provide us a real-time information.
So the new ERP system for us would need to be able to integrate information across different functions. So for previously, planning and manufacturing functions were carried out on a different software, from registering a PO and invoicing functions. So Monitor has enabled all of these functions to be simultaneously linked and carried out at the same time.
Everyone is on board with this single ecosystem. Instead of drafting an email or verbally communicate with the stakeholder, the account holder can immediately update the changes so that all the respective functional departments will get this update. So this makes the communication much more effective and efficient.
So with the EDI option that Monitor ERP provides, we are now able to seamlessly import the delivery schedules that our customers have provided into our system. This feature allows us to have quicker and more accurate data visibility in Monitor without much manual input needed. Overall, it has reduced the need for manual data entry and processing, while improving the accuracy and reliability of the business data.
Every single piece of parts can be traced and managed through the system, from customer PO, delivery, until to the payment to all our suppliers.
So Monitor ERP has allowed us to view the quantity and the parts that remains at our subcontractor and when the expected arrival date to our warehouse would be. So this data visibility makes better communication with our subcontract suppliers and easier management in terms of the production planning and fulfillment of deliveries.
With Monitor ERP, many of the company operation information has been digitized. So it's sort of like a data center for the company. So this digital data has become very essential reference for the company to analyze the company situation. So for example, we can study the customer ordering pattern, shop floor efficiency, or certain process similarity. So with all this historical data, we can consolidate, analyze, and thus establish an improvement plan or a new development to make the entire operation leaner and more productive.
With the Monitor Sustainability module, we are now able to calculate the carbon emissions for each individual parts and then declare it to our customers when requested. So this module has enabled us to have an overview of our carbon emission down to the individual part level, and it also allows us to consider changes of material or processes to reduce our carbon emission for individual parts.
I believe that this is an ERP system worked well for PLC. The history speaks volume that is an ERP system solely developed for manufacturing for the past 50 years.